I wasn't really sure what to expect when I came. I know I really wanted to meet Lisa and to just feel her energy in person and to maybe just drink more of the Kool-Aid and feel like more a part of Organized 365. I had decided to do the platinum, the all access platinum, because I wanted to go all in and I wanted to experience more of Lisa and have those one-on-one calls with her, because I knew that this was what my family needed right now and this is what I needed.
What was transformational for me this weekend was learning everyone else's stories are not that much different than my own, and that I'm not different, and we're all kind of all in this life together.
I've been having a lot of images in my head lately, like I'm just swimming through the ocean, like trying to get to the surface. And lately I feel like it's been the light. I can see the light at the top of the surface. And one thing I've learned to be grateful for that I realized this weekend is that I never ran out of breath, right?
I drove here like 8 hours with my husband, so we were stuck in the car together for 8 hours, and things haven't been great with us for a while. And I've been sharing with him after every break. I've been sharing with him what we've been learning, what I've been discussing with my table, and I really feel like he and I are ready to put our marriage first again, which hasn't been like that for a while.
The thing I'm going to embrace after this weekend is taking action to be the best version of myself that I can be.
We hold ourselves back. It's all us here. If we let other people's feelings and issues and so on dump on us and take that in, we're holding ourselves back. We don't have to accept that sort of stuff.
I'm going to let go of my guilt, and I'm going to embrace letting my partner, my husband, my child, my family, my community around me help me towards my future.